Hey guys, this is John with GoodSpeed Performance. Today we've got a 2019 R8 and we're going to be doing the new APR software. We're going to do a dyno before, we're going to load the software in, and then we're going to do another dyno and see if it makes the power that we're hoping it will. So let's get started and see how this goes. So it looks like we've done a before and after dyno that's resulted in pretty substantial gains. Our initial dyno with the Akrapovic Exhaust system netted us about 436, 438 horsepower to the wheels. After the APR Stage 1 91 Octane flash, we netted 480 horsepower. Very good gain for just a software flash. Way to go guys at APR.